In the world of business, effective marketing is key to success. Discover how these essential tools can take your business to the next level. Welcome to our guide on utilizing essential marketing tools to amplify your business's reach and impact. Let's dive right in. First up, we have Google Analytics. With its comprehensive data tracking and analysis, this tool provides invaluable insights into your website's performance and customer behavior, empowering you to make data-driven decisions that drive your business forward. Next in line is Canva, the go-to platform for creating stunning visual content. Whether it's eye-catching social media graphics, marketing materials, or engaging presentations, Canva's user-friendly design features allow you to craft professional visuals without the need for extensive design skills. Looking to streamline your email marketing? Enter MailChimp. With its automation capabilities and personalized campaigns, MailChimp empowers you to nurture leads, build relationships, and drive conversions, all while delivering targeted and engaging content to your audience's inbox. To boost your online visibility, Ahrefs is your ultimate SEO tool. With its comprehensive keyword research, backlink analysis, and website auditing features, Ahrefs helps you optimize your content and improve your search engine rankings, ensuring that your business stands out in the digital landscape. For effective online advertising, Google Ads is a game changer. With its precise targeting options and comprehensive analytics, Google Ads enables you to create and manage pay-per-click campaigns, ensuring that your business reaches the right audience at the right time, driving valuable traffic to your website and boosting your conversions. Last but not least, Buffer is the go-to platform for managing your social media presence. With its scheduling and analytics features, Buffer simplifies your social media marketing efforts, allowing you to plan, publish, and analyze your content across various platforms, ensuring that your business stays connected and engaged with your audience. Integrate these powerful tools into your marketing strategy and watch your business thrive in the digital realm. Elevate your marketing game with these essential tools today.